Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we received something new. We received the Sparkle Titan from Intel. That's a GPU B580, correct? Intel Arc B580. It has 12 gigabytes of memory, so that's good because that's something like the minimum we want in a graphics card today. Because 8 gigabyte today is not enough. You need at least 12 gigabyte to be sure. 16 better. So this is an Intel graphics card. It is not the best, but it's also not the worst. It's something in the middle range, but for a good budget. So it can do a lot. For this price, we bought something very nice. The price is very good, so we are going to unbox it here now. Hold on 1 second. Voila, we open this like this. Voila. And then we see what is inside of it. Voila. So here you see the graphics card. What is this? This is some kind of support stand that is in it. You see, support stand. It is from aluminium. You see, it's metal. So it looks nice. I kind of like it. It's not bad. So that's already that. I'm not sure how I got it. Anyway, and this is the card itself. For the rest, there is nothing into the package. I see. I check here. No manual or things like that. So, but the manual we don't need. So here you have the anti-static bag, and then you have the card itself. And here you will see it. This is the card. Voila, the Titan from Sparkle B580. So this is the card. This feels like, I don't know. Is it metal? It looks like metal, and this is plastic. You feel that metal. Plastic, so plastic, metal. Yeah, it has an 8-pin GPU connector here, you see, and then yeah, this is the card. So if you install this, always take out the plastics, because if you let it in, you cannot slide the card in. So this is not good to leave it like that. And then also remove this cap. This is to protect the PCIe slot. It has a 16 slot, I believe, but it only works at 8 times. So yeah, you will not get more than 8 times over it, and you will need to connect the electricity here, because otherwise it will not boot up. So this is the Sparkle, as you can see it. The Intel B580 Sparkle. I also want to tell you not to forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes. We give away laptops and things like that, smartphones. You only have to subscribe to our channel, so do that now. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, and then you can win something. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something, you will get notified. So yes, please subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, because that's what keeps us going. So if you like this video, you will get more from this content. And yes. So this was the unboxing video for the Intel Sparkle B580 mid-range GPU from Intel. So I see you, and bye bye. We go to install this later, so I'm not going to repack it, you understand. So I just put it in here. I think this does not even fit anymore. Voila, I keep it like that. Voila. I will put it here, and I will take it on a later time. So yeah, always use an anti-static bag if you pack something. If you can use it, you have to use it, you understand. So bye.